This is step-by-step guide on how to do tax on BoluUp app. Calm down. Watch this video to the end in order to understand how to do tax on BoluUp app, how to purchase coins, how to level up, and you will understand different levels in the chat salary. Let me put you through on the screen.
After downloading and registering with your Gmail, click on to become host. Input the ID number you see on the screen to join an agency to unlock your tax and enable you withdraw when due. After that, do your face verification and click on My Room. When you click on My Room, click on Chat. Choose the chat option. Then it opens like this. You upload your room cover, input your room name, room title, and click on Create. Once you click on Create, a panel will be open like this. Once the panel is being opened, you are already doing your tax. The round cycle in the panel serves as the timer and where you click to check for your salary. Note, if you're new, you're meant to audio stream for 7 days to get $3.5. Every day you audio stream for 2 hours to get 5,000 points. 1 hour to get 2,500. Another 1 hour to get another 2,500, which is 2 hours. After 7 days, you're audio streaming for 1 hour to gain 1,000 points. Then, still in the panel, when you roll down, you will see a purple icon and pink icon. The purple icon signifies all the games in the app, while the pink icon signifies the gift section. Now on the gift section. On the gift section, we have the hot, lucky, normal, rich, custom, and bag. Bag is where the apps give you, whatever gifts they give you goes to the bag. While other gifts here, except lucky, is used for exchange. And exchange is the means of leveling up. Exchange is the means of leveling up. How do you level up? You level up through exchange, which is when you purchase coins from a coins vendor. When you purchase the coins, you can tell me you have exchange or you look for someone. When you send me 10,000 coins, I will send you 10,000 coins back. That is the means of leveling up. Mind you, whatever exchange you're doing, the app is taking 30%, meaning if you do exchange of 10,000 coins, you are receiving 7,000, while the app takes 3,000. Lucky is for gambling. You gamble to win, you gamble to lose. Now to the chat salary. Let me explain how to increase your level. Once you open the salary section as a new person in the app, you will see new host guidance, which once you click on the go, it will take you to wherever you are asked to perform the tax, and you will claim diamonds, which will go to your wallet. Now on the chart. On the salary chart, we have salary, we have tax and reward. Now, in order to increase your level, remember I said you only increase your level by exchange. Exchange means gifting one another, gifting each self, which is by exchange. Now on this salary, you will see L, K, J, and more. On the first icon, which is L, it means 0 to reach target level, meaning you are not doing any target. You are only receiving the 1,000 coins every 1 hour you audio stream. If you put the icon on K, you will see 30,000 to reach target level, meaning you are to do exchange of 30,000 coins. You remember the app is taking 30%. So you're meant to purchase coins from a coins vendor. Instead of purchasing coins of 30,000 coins only, you purchase 45,000 coins and do the exchange. So when you do the exchange, instead of earning 1,000 coins every day when you audio stream, you will earn 2,400. Mind you, whichever exchange you do goes to your withdrawal point, which is your cash out. So every money is still yours. Then roll down, you will see reach 100 lucky gift. It means someone is meant to gamble on you lucky gift 100 times to claim this reward. Still on salary, when you click on reward, it opens like this. What you see is called monthly card. This is another way of earning on BoluUp. If you don't want to do exchange, you can activate the monthly card in order to be earning coins every day. When you earn the coins, you will use it for exchange and use it also to play games. So when you click on the card, you roll down to see where to activate the coins, which is invest 45,000 coins to win coins worth 100,000. What they mean is that you should activate the monthly card with 45,000 coins, which is $4.5 in order to gain 100,000 coins, which is $10. Every day, they'll be giving you maybe 500 coins or 200 coins or 1,000 coins. They are not going to give you the monthly card at once. It will be given to you every day and it will be in your coins section in order to do exchange or to play games with it. Please, if you have watched to this level, don't forget to subscribe, share with friends and family. In this space, I will not just give you the app that I use, I will also give you step-by-step guide in order to achieve what you want in the app. Finally, let me show you how to purchase coins. In order to purchase coins, click on the coins icon. When you click on the coins icon, you roll your cursor to the place you see coin sellers. On the payment method, you will see coin seller. Click on the coin sellers. When you click on the coin seller, then you will roll down. You will see different type of coin sellers. Look for the one that have WhatsApp icon. Click on it and chat them directly on WhatsApp. And don't forget, new day starts 5 p.m. in this app. Please, the only way to support me is to subscribe, share with family and friends, comment, and also turn up notification button. For extra bonus tips, if you want to speak with your agency, once you click on agency room, it takes you to your agency where you can send the person a DM, or maybe you have any problem or you want to do exchange as a new person. As a new person, you have to be mindful of who you do exchange with. Hope this video is helpful. See you in my next video.